Hey guys, Bassplay 12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's video is going to be a bass cover for Rae Jepsen's Comeback. And the story on this one is I was in Kohl's department store and I heard this song over the intercom. And I'm like, that song sounds good. So I busted out my phone because I didn't know what song it was. And I busted out my Shazam. I don't know what app you guys use to figure out a song that you hear on the radio or wherever you might be. And then it popped up on that. And I'm like, yes, I like that song. So today I'm bringing that to you. I don't know how many of you guys listen to a song in a store or a grocery store. And I'm like, yeah, that song sounds good. So thank goodness for Shazam and other types of apps that allow you to, let your phone listen to a song and tell you, who sings it and what's the name of it. So that's the story behind today's bass cover. So hopefully you enjoy it.